What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. Finally, I got this in my hand. This is the all new MacBook Pro with the M1 Pro, the 14-inch version. So let's get it open and let's check it out. So Apple has made this really easy to unbox as usual. Let's get all this plastic off. And that's what we got. All right, so the reason I actually upgraded was because this device, feels nice. And I got the silver version. But the reason I decided to upgrade it was because of, I said that like 3 times. All right, so, ooh, that's nice. Like right there on the back, MacBook Pro. But once again, the reason I upgraded was because of all the peripherals on it now. So we got the Thunderbolt over here, we got the headphone jack, we got MagSafe charging, and the Thunderbolt cables can be used to charge this device as well. HDMI and our SD card slot. So right now, like, this is giving me old school nostalgic Mac vibes right off the bat, because this thing has a more rectangular, squared off shape than the previous versions of any of the MacBooks that we've had in the past few years. All right, so what is in the box? You got your normal paperwork, all that good stuff. Let's see, anything else down in here? I knew it. All right, so I heard about these. Those are the black Apple stickers. Like them a lot. I'll be putting this on something very shortly. Got a charging brick right here. Got plenty of these laying around the house. And voila. Let's I mean, Apple is nice about all the way to open this stuff, but this is a nice cable. This is a braided cable. I like it. Nice premium feel. All right, get all that out. So look at that. That is a nice braided cable. And I'm no fanboy, but I like quality. And this feels good. Let's see, because we have not had MagSafe in a little while. So, all right, here we go. Our first MagSafe. Boom, there we go. And boom, there we go. So we got the MagSafe back. We got USB Type-C or Thunderbolt charging. So yeah, this is what we got. We got 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports. We got the headphone jack. We got MagSafe charging. We got the nice shiny black Apple logo up top. We got peripherals over here. Standard. HDMI. SD card slot. I have not opened this thing up yet. We got MagSafe. I want to say they're calling this MagSafe 3 charging, but it's a nice thick braided cable. And what I really am in love with this year is these nice black Apple stickers. Like them a lot. They'll be going on something. You'll see them somewhere. So just stay calm. You'll see them somewhere. All right. So, you know, this was just supposed to be an unboxing, but you know, if you unbox it, you gotta show, and I love that sound, you gotta show this keyboard. That is that's the sexiest keyboard I've seen in a while. All black on black. I mean, black interior right here. It really feels like a pro version this year. And then we get the hello. All right, so here we go. That will complete the unboxing experience. Screen, beautiful. We gotta set it up, but I'm digging this layout. That is nice. The black keys with the black backdrop. We got speakers here, trackpad as usual. Everything looks really good, and that screen is gorgeous. We can already see it right now. I can't wait to try this thing out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop all my information in here, get this thing set up how I like it, start using it, and I will come back with a follow-up just to let you guys know how this thing feels, how it handles, how it works. But I can tell you right now, I mean, it's not gonna slide around on the table a lot. It's got grips on the bottom. I love that the word MacBook Pro is etched right there on the back. I love that. Attention to detail is everything. And you guys know, you've been here before. My hands are ultra slippery and they are ultra sweaty most of the time. Not leaving any fingerprints on this, so I really appreciate the construct of this device. So just for comparison, the previous few years of Mac, this one is like 2 years old. As you can see, they are more curvy, and these are a little more boxy, and it's thicker as well. You can like literally tell. 14-inch on the bottom, 13-inch on the top. Side-by-side comparisons, but the 14-inch model is more of a boxy shape, and we got a more curved model on the 13-inch over here. So that has been it. We got the MacBook Pro 14-inch. We got the M1 Pro chip inside here. It's supposed to be much faster. I have to see, doing some testing. But that's been my little unboxing and first impression. I like what I see. It's time to get everything in, and we'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.